Today in this video we will learn about how can I apply maintenance mode in Whmcs, that is disabling users from accessing client area of Whmcs. For that, log into Whmcs and then go to General Settings under Setup section. Now here tick the Maintenance Mode section under General Settings. After selecting this option, you can also write maintenance mode message like we are currently performing maintenance and will be back shortly. Once you have done this, click on Save Changes.